Heidi-ho, welcome bar club. Whew. So that was one hell of a trip. I did a 24-hour challenge with Steve Famine. Want to see what I came up with? The theme was treehouse. Wait a second. Okay, that's better. Yeah, I built this thing in 24 hours last weekend. Want to see how I did it? It was a lot of fun. On your mark, get set, go. Need a base. We're 1 hour in the build and the basic shape is done. I'm outside taking a break. The piece is in the sun. Oh, it's gonna be so big. Oh, god damn it. But it's gonna be, I'll imagine it nice. Really nice. Usually, I let this stuff dry overnight. Almost 3 hours. I'm really glad. I maybe overdid a little bit on the size. Now I hope the sun dries it fast enough so I can put some washes on there. (9:20 p.m. I'm starting to get tired, but it's all for the challenge. I say for the challenge, we have to win the challenge. We have almost 15 hours left, so I'm totally exhausted, but I will sleep about 7 or 8 hours. I'm satisfied now with all the stairs and the platforms, and yeah, that's good. Good morning. Let's see what we have got. Oh, a big tree. What does it look like? Nothing fell off. Yeah, everything is dried now. That's perfect. Yes, everything bonded nicely. Okay, so it is 8:30 a.m. I was dreaming about the build all the time. It's like 5.5 hours left. So yeah, let's go. .4 hours left. I'm really nervous now. Basically the house structure is done. So we got this entrance here and some fancy pantsy roof. The thing is, it has to dry now. And it is not hot today and there's no sun. And I cannot use the air dryer there because it will blow everything away. Okay, so for the canopies or whatever it's called, the branches with the green stuff on it, the leaves and stuff, my wife sacrificed the cushion. So it's a really cheap cushion. See this with this ugly nasty cloth and some of this wool. This is perfect. Yes. I got this dirty corner in the garden where I just put stuff and like this and don't clean it up. Yes, 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 look at this. This is freaking good. Oh, yes, baby, yes, baby. So I'll just go for some more now. So I'm really freaking nervous right now. So that's why I decided to make all those branches like the first one without filming it. I put on some music, I guess really loud, and then just bam, bam, go through it. See you later. This looks promising now. 2 hours. Let's rock this. Ah, the brushes. The brushes, the brushes. Where are the brushes? Ah, chaos. Hectic. Last hour. We're in the last hour. It already began. The roof is just finished. Check this out. So, that thing cost me 1 hour, I guess. But it looks great. Shit, the roof came off. So, 6 minutes left on the clock. I'm calling it a day. It's done. There would be 10,000s of millions of small things to do, but I'll just stop now, otherwise I go crazy. Yeah. It was me a pleasure. It was me a pleasure. That's not really true. It was a pleasure. Yeah, so this is what we have now. The treehouse, fully playable with 1, 2, 3, 4 stories and a roof to play on and the base to play on. Holy moly. A friend came over and helps me with some videos and he's got the fancy pantsy stuff. Show it.
Oh yeah. We obviously do that. Anyway, I could talk about it for a while, but like everything was going wrong while I was doing it. But anyway,
so of course, always it.
So like in terms of size, it's how's the quality looking? Do you kind of see this for the most part?
Yeah.
I wanted a really thick tree piece, and I wanted it to be like imposing. Like this actually, like while this is like a giant square or whatever else, it's still like the same like thickness. It's like a large centerpiece, which is what I was going for. I still have to add like not a rope or a tire swing, but I do want to add some sort of like rope hanging thing.
Yeah,
And that was something I saw on yours. You had a lot of.
I also skipped the decorations. I wanted to do curtains and stuff, but there was no time left.
I don't know. Yeah, I can definitely add a few more things to it, and I'll paint it this week. So when we upload the video, like I'll have mine painted. But
Okay,
we'll have the video part where it's like I concede defeat. I didn't paint it. So technically, you absolutely won this challenge.
You want to see?
Yeah. I want to see your piece.
I'll show you. So
I thought you just dumped like a wood stain or a brown wash over the entire piece.
It's a little bit big, so look
That's
here.
ridiculous. What the heck? Okay, all right. This is like twice my size. All right.
It's like 90 centimeters. It's
What the hell?
almost.
I actually thought we were going for like the one to. Actually, let me.
It grew bigger and bigger and bigger. In the beginning,
This picture you showed me does not look. This looks way smaller in your thing you posted on Instagram.
So the base is 25 centimeters by 20, but it's got a little overhang. So
Oh,
it's
what?
like.
This is as tall as a 9-year-old child. This isn't. This is actually. Oh, the top floor is actually. This is really cool. So you could probably run like a whole. You could run a whole D&D session just running up this thing. Or like.
Yes.
Yeah, so this was a really great experience. It was fun, exhausting, nerve-wracking in the end when the roof came down. Yeah, but I'm satisfied. I'm really satisfied. It's a wow thing. It's great. It's like, oh, I would like to hug it. Yeah. So please go over to Steve Famine's channel. He's built a post-apocalyptic treehouse, looking really good. Check out his build also, please. And I'll say, see ya!